SRT mini fairing, mini FXRT fairing. I'm going to be throwing it on my O2 Super Glide. Not very many people have yet, so I figured we'd do an install video. I already started to do some of the work and then decided to do the video. So the headlight bucket's already loose and all that. We got to pull that off to get this fairing on. So I'm going to show you how we're going to install it and the final product, what it looks like on. So I already had a headlight in my headlight bucket. I'm using the X series from Original Garage. I threw that in there. The overall install took 30 minutes. Super simple. Saddlemen gave us the instructions, told us what tools we needed to put it on. And it came with stainless steel hardware, which I like. It's not going to rust out in 2 weeks of riding in the rain. I got TC Bros tubes and rotors on the front. I think the fairing acts as the front quite well. It looks pretty well made, so I'm anxious to see how it holds up to stumping and making a normal view. And I'm anxious to get out and just give it a try.